Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Notes. Open the specific note and click where you change something. Once done, understand that Notes records recent typing and edits in session history. To undo the last action quickly, press Command-Z. This reverses the most recent insertion, deletion, or formatting change. If you prefer menus, choose Edit Undo. Make sure to act before closing the note, because unsaved session history can be lost when you exit the app. Now that you know the single undo, you can step back through several edits by pressing Command-Z repeatedly. Each press reverses one earlier action. Once you've gone too far, use Shift-Command-Z or Edit Redo to move forward again. This is useful when you want to compare earlier versions without permanently losing work. Also, keep in mind that if you close the note or restart the Mac, the in-memory undo stack may reset, so save incremental copies. To finish, consider accessing older saved states with File Revert To if you need a previous document version. This complements undo when the session history is gone. If undo isn't working, make sure the note isn't locked, confirm iCloud sync status, and verify you have edit permissions. If you still can't revert, save the current note as a copy and restore from iCloud. COM or a time machine backup. One key tip: always save copies before major edits to avoid permanent loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.